to my channel. Today I'm making Swedish pancakes, and this is one of the pancakes as a kid I really enjoyed. First you want to add 3 eggs and you want to beat them together, and then you want to add 1 1/4 cup milk, 3/4 cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar or 2, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now this is very thin batter, so don't be afraid of it, but you'll love these pancakes. Griddle, it's been preheating, it's nice and hot. I just pour some pancake batter on, and don't be afraid by the sides. They start cooking right away and they get very thin. That's just the way it is. And you want to flip your pancake over when the batter is dry or firm on top. Okay, you guys, let's do it one more time just so you can see how it's done. I'm gonna stir it up. I take my measuring cup and I just pour it on. And remember, you want to flip the pancake over when the batter is either firm or dry. And there you go, pancake number 2. So let's put some butter, maybe sugar, syrup, or jam, whatever you like to put on there. I like to put jam, and I actually like to put blueberry jam on it. And so you guys, when you're all done putting your jam on, take your fork, grab your pancake at the bottom and roll it up, and then you can cut it into bite-sized pieces. And there you have your Swedish pancake. Very easy to do. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like, and I hope you enjoyed the Swedish pancakes. Bye-bye.